Dear students, welcome to my video. Chapter number 3, Understanding Quadrilaterals, Part 6. Today we are going to discuss some problems on quadrilaterals. Okay, the first question is the measures of adjacent angles of a parallelogram are in the ratio 3:2. Find the measure of each of the angles of the parallelogram. Okay, what are the given measurements? Here the ratio of adjacent angles of a parallelogram is 3:2. So what is adjacent angle? Here see the figure, angle A and angle B are adjacent angle. Then angle B and angle C are also adjacent angle. Angle C and angle D and angle A are adjacent angle. So I am taking angle A and angle D. So here the ratio is 3:2, which is the smallest number 2. So here smallest angle is angle A. So angle A equal to, we can write 2x, and angle D can be written as 3x. Okay, angle A equal to 2x and angle D equal to 3x. We know the sum of the adjacent angle is 180 degree. Already you learned in a parallel line cut by a transversal, you get two coincident angles. That two sum of two coincident angles every time 180 degree. That means 2x and 3x add together, you will get 180 degree. So we can write 2x plus 3x equal to 180 degree, and 2x plus 3x is equal to 5x is equal to 180 degree. Then x equal to 180 divided by 5, then x equal to 36 degree. So angle A equal to 2x, already we take angle A equal to 2x, then angle A equal to 2 into 36, that's equal to 72 degree. Then angle D equal to what? 3x, that means 3 into 36, that's equal to 108 degree. So angle A equal to 72, angle D equal to 108 degree. We already know the opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. So we can write angle C equal to 72 degree and angle B equal to 108 degree, because angle A and angle C are opposite angle. Angle B and angle D are also opposite angles. They are equal. Okay. The next question. Two adjacent angles of a parallelogram have equal measure. Find the measure of each of the angles of the parallelogram. Here already you know angle A and angle D are adjacent angle, and angle B are adjacent angle. Angle B and angle C are adjacent angle. Angle C and angle D are adjacent angle. The given question is that the two adjacent angles are equal. So I am taking angle A equal to x and angle D equal to x. So adding together we get 180 degree. Already I told you x plus x is equal to 180 degree because co-interior angles. So x plus x equal to 180 degree, then 2x equal to 180 degree. Then x equal to 180 divided by 2, that's equal to 90 degree. That means angle A equal to 90, we can take angle A equal to 90. Therefore angle C also 90 degree because opposite angles are equal. Then angle A equal to 90, then angle D also 90 degree because sum of two angles is equal to, these two angles is equal to 180 degree co-interior angle. Angle D and angle B are equal, so that also 90 degree. That means all the angles are 90 degree. Then next one is to prove the diagonals of a rhombus are perpendicular bisectors of one another. That means here AC and BD are diagonal, and this diagonal bisect each other, then bisecting at a 90 degree. That means angle, we have to show or we have to prove angle AOD is equal to angle COD equal to 90 degree. Okay, for this we take triangle AOD and triangle COD. These two triangles, and we have OA and OC are equal. What is the reason? We know all the rhombuses are parallelogram. All the rhombuses are parallelogram. So the diagonals of a parallelogram are bisecting each other. So OA equal to OC, we can say OA equal to OC. Then AD and CD. What is AD and CD? It is the sides of the rhombus. All the sides of the rhombus are equal. So AD equal to CD. Then next one, in this two triangle, OD equal to OD. That is the common side of these two triangle. So we can say triangle AOD is congruent to triangle COD by SSS congruence rule. By SSS rule, we can say triangle AOD and triangle COD are congruent. Therefore, by CPCT, we can say angle AOD is equal to angle COD. And also see the figure, angle AOD and angle COD making linear pair angles. So we know sum of two angles in a linear pair is 180 degree. So angle AOD plus angle COD is equal to 180 degree. So already we proved angle AOD and angle COD is equal. Angle AOD and angle COD are equal. Therefore, one angle is every time 90 degree, because 90 plus 90 is equal to 180 degree. Okay, so angle AOD is equal to angle COD equal to 90 degree. Hence the proof. Okay. The next one, state whether true or false. Sub question A, all rectangles are square. Is it true? No, it is false. Why? In a square, what is the peculiarity of a square? All the angles are equal, all the sides are equal. But in the case of rectangle, all the angles are equal, but opposite sides are equal. Not all the sides are equal. Okay, all the rectangle are not square, but opposite is correct. That means squares are rectangle. Okay. The next one is all rhombuses are parallelogram. Is it true? Yes, it is true. Why? In a parallelogram, we know opposite sides are equal and also opposite angles are equal. The same way, in a rhombus, all the sides are equal. Therefore, we can say opposite sides are equal and opposite angles are also equal. Okay, so that is true. The next one, all squares are rhombuses and also rectangles. So what is the peculiarity of rhombus? All the sides are equal and opposite angles are equal. What about the square case? Yes, all the sides are equal and opposite sides are also equal. Therefore, we can say all squares are rhombus. And next one, all squares are rectangle. I already told you all the squares are rectangle, because opposite sides are equal. All the angles are 90 degree. Okay. The next one, all squares are not parallelogram. It is false. Why? All the squares are parallelogram. Because what is the peculiarity of a parallelogram? Opposite sides are equal. Opposite angles are equal. In the case of square, opposite sides are equal and opposite angles are also equal. So the given statement is false, because all squares are not parallelogram. It is false. All the squares are parallelogram. The next one, all kites are rhombuses, and also here the F sub question F, all rhombuses are kites, opposite. What about the E? All kites are rhombuses. That is false. That is false, because what is the peculiarity of rhombus? Opposite sides are equal. Opposite angles are also equal. In the case of kite, there is no only one pair of opposite angles are equal, but another pair are not equal. And also in a rhombus, all the sides are equal, but in kite, all the sides are not equal. Therefore, all kites are rhombus is wrong. All kites are rhombus is wrong. What about the opposite? All rhombuses are kite. That is true. All rhombuses are kite is true. The next one, all parallelograms are trapezium. What is the peculiarity of trapezium? A pair of lines are parallel. See, these two lines are parallel. So, the same way, in a parallelogram, opposite sides are also parallel. Okay. So, one pair of lines are parallel. So, we can say that all the parallelogram are trapezium. It is true. Then, next one, all squares are trapezium. What is the reason? In a trapezium, a pair of opposite sides are parallel. The same way in a square, opposite sides are also parallel, and we can say all squares are trapezium. It is true. Okay. Thanks for watching my video. Please wait for next video. Thank you.